To add a passkeys on your Snapchat, open Snapchat on your smartphone, tap on your Bitmoji, tap the settings icon, tap on my account. In here, under manage my account section, tap on passkeys, tap on add passkey, and now verify your phone lock. So here we can see three different options to add a passkey. One is using fingerprint, another is face, and another is using pin and pattern. So just go ahead and turn on passkeys using any of these options, and we can see the passkey successfully created. And now to delete or remove any passkey, just come to this passkey settings and tap this cross icon, tap on remove, and your passkeys will be removed from your Snapchat.